Welcome to our channel, Ask Prep. Certainly, here's a detailed elaboration on why Ahmedabad is often referred to as the Manchester of India. Ahmedabad, the largest city in the Indian state of Gujarat, holds a rich history and a vibrant cultural heritage. One of its most prominent aspects is its role as the Manchester of India. This moniker is not just a casual comparison but a testament to the city's significant contributions to the textile industry, much like Manchester, England, which was once renowned as the epicenter of the Industrial Revolution. The roots of Ahmedabad's textile industry can be traced back centuries. Historically, the city has been a center for trade and commerce, strategically located on the banks of the Sabarmati River. Its proximity to raw materials like cotton and skilled labor provided fertile ground for the development of the textile sector. During the colonial era, Ahmedabad emerged as a major hub for textile production under British rule. The city's textile mills began to flourish, fueled by the availability of cheap labor and a conducive business environment. The British administration implemented policies that favored the growth of textile manufacturing, further propelling Ahmedabad's ascendancy in the industry. Post-independence, Ahmedabad continued its trajectory of industrialization, with a focus on textiles. The establishment of textile mills and factories became synonymous with the city's economic landscape. The textile industry became a cornerstone of Ahmedabad's economy, providing employment to thousands of people and contributing significantly to the city's GDP. One of the key factors behind Ahmedabad's success as the Manchester of India is its vertical integration in the textile supply chain. The city boasts a comprehensive ecosystem encompassing all stages of textile production, from spinning and weaving to dyeing and printing. This vertical integration ensures efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and quality control, making Ahmedabad a preferred destination for textile manufacturers. Moreover, Ahmedabad's textile industry is characterized by innovation and adaptability. Over the years, the city has embraced technological advancements and modern manufacturing practices to stay competitive in the global market. Automation, digitization, and sustainable practices have become integral parts of Ahmedabad's textile landscape, enabling manufacturers to meet the evolving demands of consumers while minimizing environmental impact. Another factor contributing to Ahmedabad's prominence in the textile sector is its entrepreneurial spirit. The city has nurtured a culture of entrepreneurship and innovation, with many textile magnates starting their businesses from scratch and building empire. These visionary leaders have not only transformed Ahmedabad into a textile powerhouse but also played a pivotal role in shaping India's textile industry on the whole. Furthermore, Ahmedabad's strategic location has played a crucial role in its success as the Manchester of India. Situated in close proximity to major ports and transportation networks, the city enjoys easy access to domestic and international markets. This logistical advantage has facilitated the export of textile products from Ahmedabad to various parts of the world, further enhancing its reputation as a global textile hub. In addition to its industrial prowess, Ahmedabad's textile heritage is deeply intertwined with its cultural fabric. The city's rich tradition of craftsmanship and artisanal skills has been passed down through generations, preserving age-old techniques and designs. Handloom weaving, block printing, and embroidery are just some of the traditional crafts that thrive in Ahmedabad, adding to its allure as a center of textile excellence. Despite its illustrious past, Ahmedabad's textile industry has faced challenges and undergone transformations in recent years. Globalization, economic liberalization, and changing consumer preferences have necessitated adaptation and diversification within the sector. While traditional textile manufacturing remains a vital component of Ahmedabad's economy, the city has also ventured into new areas such as technical textiles, fashion apparel, and home furnishings to stay ahead of the curve. Moreover, Ahmedabad's textile industry has embraced sustainability and ethical practices in response to growing environmental and social concerns. Efforts are underway to minimize water and energy consumption, reduce waste generation, and ensure fair labor practices across the supply chain. By adopting a holistic approach to sustainability, Ahmedabad aims to not only safeguard its natural resources but also enhance its global competitiveness in the long run. In conclusion, Ahmedabad's designation as the Manchester of India is a testament to its enduring legacy as a textile powerhouse. From its humble beginnings as a trading outpost to its current status as a modern industrial metropolis, the city has come a long way in shaping India's textile industry. With its rich heritage, entrepreneurial spirit, and commitment to innovation, Ahmedabad continues to play a pivotal role in driving the growth and development of the textile sector, both domestically and internationally. As the legacy of Manchester lives on in Ahmedabad, so too does the spirit of innovation and resilience that defines these two iconic cities.